For my 4-week behavior change, I decided to increase my water consumption. Throughout the day, we lose fluid from our skin, breathing, urination, and bowel movements. This fluid loss is increased during exercise and in warmer climates. In order to maintain healthy body functions, it is important that individuals are replacing this fluid. Water helps the body keep a normal temperature, cushion joints, get rid of waste, protect the spinal cord, brain, and other tissues, and it also helps maintain body fluids that assist in digestion, blood circulation, nutrient transport, skin health, and kidney function. Water is essential in all aspects of bodily functions. Throughout the school year, I find myself drinking water inconsistently, and this sometimes causes me to get headaches or to feel exhausted. I know how important drinking water is for my health, and I know the benefits of drinking enough water. I believe that drinking enough water will improve all my bodily functions and that I will feel healthier in myself. I value my overall health and I will continue my behavior change over the next 4 weeks to better my health. The first intervention that I used was to carry a water bottle around at all times to increase my water consumption. Whether this was to work or to class or just to the store, I always carried it with me. The second intervention that I used was to replace other drinks with water at home and when out to eat. And the third intervention that I used was to make a water bottle with goal lines on it to help me keep track throughout the day. The successes of these interventions were that I always had a water bottle on me, and it was very easy to refill my bottle wherever I was. I didn't drink as much coffee, and I replaced other drinks with water. I also added lemon and other fruits to my water so I didn't get sick of the taste. The lines on the water helped me notice when I needed to drink more throughout the day, and it was an easy method of keeping track of my consumption. Some of the challenges were that I forgot to grab my water bottle one morning and then I had to buy a new one on campus. I started to crave other drinks with different flavors and it was hard to stick to just water. And during class, my water bottle was mostly in my bag, so when I got out, I noticed I was behind on my drinking. The first model that I used was a trans-theoretical model and the concept of preparation. I prepared for my behavior change by drawing the goal lines on a plastic water bottle. I did not have a reusable water bottle that I wanted to draw on, so I just used a plastic water bottle from the store and used it for the 4th week. The next model that I used was the health belief model and the concept of perceived benefits. After researching the significance of the behavior change, I became more knowledgeable about how important it is to drink enough water, and this increased my perceived benefits of the change. And the last theory that I used was the social cognitive theory's concept of behavioral capacity. After I researched effective interventions that help increase water consumption, I had the behavioral capacity to undergo the behavior change. My level of knowledge was increased and engaging the behavior change was easier. So for the first week, my goal was to drink 48 fluid ounces. My second week, my goal was to drink 56. And my third week, I wanted to reach drinking 8 cups or 64 fluid ounces of water. In order to track this consumption, I used the health app on my phone. So the first week, I tracked my consumption throughout the day using my water bottle, and my average was 46.4 fluid ounces. The second week, my average was 54.4 fluid ounces, and my third and fourth week, I averaged 64 fluid ounces, or 8 cups a day. This is a graph of my overall progress, and you can see how I slowly increased up to reach my goal. Even though I faced some struggles while changing my water intake, I felt more energized and alert at the end of the behavior change. I noticed a big difference in the way that I felt, and I also gained knowledge about how important getting enough water in a day is for your body. My recommendations for this behavior change would be increase water intake over a period of time because drinking too much water at once can make your stomach hurt. It can also be harder to make such a big change, so it's better to ease into the behavior change. Replace other drinks with water and add lemon or fruit for flavor. It's easy and cost effective. And also, the third one, carry a water bottle everywhere with you because it's better for the environment and ensures you always have water with you and it reminds you to drink water.